Well, welcome back to Why Not, and we're gonna clean out the cat.
Sandpaper? Just put a fucking apple in there.
Alright, boys and
Barrel
girls.
attempt number 1. But we're going back in.
Yeah,
We're trying number 2.
We're going back in, boys. Fucking apple cannon.
Watch out.
Yep, we got. Yeah, I forgot I was recording. Drag her in there.
I dabbed her in there. Trust me on that. Alright, get back.
Alright, everybody get back. Everybody get back. We playing safety
This
here.
apple is coming out of there.
That apple will come out of there like. Oh man! It's out.
Well,
Iced tea bottle.
fail attempt number 2 again.
Number
The apple
2
kind of
again.
broke on us.
Yeah.
That ain't good.
Let's put that board closer with that bottle in there.
Hopefully it holds it in. This is Everett's idea.
This is Everett's.
I think
forgot I
it's
was
the dumbest
going
idea
again.
in the world. You know,
Woo.
usually use a potato or something. We don't have any, you ate them all. Fat ass. Yeah, I did eat them all. He's right. He ain't lying. I did eat them. Let's try that.
Alright, take number 3.
You're gonna get shot with a baseball bat.
Come on, get shot with a baseball. It's in there.
Oh, really? Did it just suck in?
Yeah, that sucked in.
No, it didn't.
No. No, it's laying here.
Get back. It's still pushing shit out.
No, it isn't. Let me hold a t-shirt in there.
There's a lot of shit coming out. Black shit. This thing runs great.
Put her back in. Put her back in.
Motherfucker runs better than the truck.
Put her back in.
A long time.
Put it back in. Pick it up and put it back in. Put it back in that Van Scooter hole. Oh, it was in there for a minute there.
Enter the winner, huh? Now he's gonna put his mouth around it. You're fucking retarded.
We thought it sucked up in there.
No, he did.
Nah, he.
Alright, yeah, you're right, I did. It sounded like it. It was like, poof. Oh, fuck yeah, that's gonna get her in. We gonna get it in there, boy! Woo! Alright! Try number whatever take this is.
It's take 4. No.
Let's take 3. Oh, I forgot.
Yeah.
Looks like we just gonna take a break. Not really.
Alright, here we go. Attempt number 3 or 4.
Number 3 or 4.
Somebody put their foot against that board. It won't hurt.
It ain't gonna. Mastermind himself. It's out.
It's out.
Yeah, it's coming out. You're turning the rock black. I felt shards of metal coming out.
Hit the board.
Woo! We just get in the leg, just a breath of fresh air.
She's a piece of shit.
No, she's a masterpiece. Now we gotta put
She's
it
a
back
real
in.
piece of shit. That over there is a real beast. This thing, yeah, it's a thing.
It's a thing, all right. All right, put it in there the other way. Put it in her. Oh yeah, somebody gotta pull that out. That don't work.
Go hit the gas.
We're stalling out the van. Go hit the gas. Why?
This is how you don't start out with a back. What the fuck? Oh yeah, she gone.
See how much came out?
Yeah. Let it rev up a little bit. Go!
Feel that compression now.
Fuck, that shit is hot. Go feel that. Pieces of like the engine blocks or something are coming out. Rev her up, rev her up.
Oh, I'm all the way out here. What the
No,
hell?
you're good. You're good. Stay, stay.
Don't worry, baby.
All right, hold your hand right here. Feel the compression now.
This is cutting up the water bottle.
That fucker moved the exhaust. It's better. That's
Fine, how it's going. You said how good it was.
Barely. What, this much?
There's pieces of metal coming out of there.
Good.
That's rust.
Boys, that thing gonna run better now. That's all better compression.
Alright. So, what do we got? Hey, don't forget. Hey. You ain't supposed to point it at me. Oh, the mail's here.
Oh, hell yeah. Might be my letter back from that. Oh yeah, that YouTube Brady Price, shout out to him.
Damn, look at that nasty fucker. Let me see
Look
that
at that
camera.
fucking
web.
Let me
That's
see that
fucking
camera.
sexy. This is in my truck
You're
right now.
doing it sideways.
Oh, I touched it. God, that is one mean ass looking spider.
Don't put it in there. No, here, let me open the door. And it'll come with it.
Oh, look at him.
That's a nasty motherfucker. Come on, yellow spider. You gotta go, boy.
That's not fucking bananas.
No, give me a jar. Give me a jar, man.
Are we gonna start her up?
Do you see him? My God, he is awesome. Don't.
Well, Haley, come on. Let's go mess with my wall.
Don't try this shit at home. I am a professional spider catcher. Alright. Now what you want to do, you want to get this thing right here? You just want to hit him.
He in the cup now.
Now we gonna take him to a new home because I just don't want him in my truck no more. Sorry, little fucker. Yeah, you a big fucker, huh?
Let me see that real quick.
I'm letting you out.
He's gonna let him out. Look at him.
That's a big son.
He is crazy as fuck looking. God damn. Thanks to our new SD card, we're able to record just a little bit longer. We don't know exactly how long, but
Yeah,
we're trying to keep posts. There we go. He's gonna let him go. Bye, Spidey. Bye.
Spider's web. Oh, don't get stuck. Oh, dude, I hope I didn't fuck him over. Hey, everybody, let me help you.
There he is in his new habitat underneath that leaf.
Oh, he just fell.
Where'd he go? He came at me, bro. He came at me. By the way, got a job interview coming up, so had to dye my red hair back. It's still kind of red, but you know, if you don't like it, fuck it. I'll work somewhere else. Look at my attire today. I think I look pretty nice. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that like button, hit that notification bell so that way you know when we post another video of whatever wacky dumbass shit we gonna be doing that day.
Like spider
Dude, did you know I just now noticed this raw ass sticker? Look at that sticker. Ain't that motherfucker official?
I gotta get this web out of here. That's some thick shit, bro.
Cameraman ran away to go work on his new lawnmower that he bought this morning off of Brandon him damn self. Traded it for that stupid ass steering column so that way he could try to drive his truck in dumbass places. Here we go. We're gonna see if she's gonna fire up. Remember, you can just twist them two together and push that purple one to him, like Braden done gone said. Wires hanging everywhere, but you know, she still run. Shout out to Braden Price. Who's the other one?
3D Machines.
Who else? Who else can we throw some shout outs to?